Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I am going to be playing my winter car, and today I am going to continue building the quarter servette, and today I'm basically going to put the auxiliary parts in the car. And if I have more time, I'll do something else like the interior or the car body or whatever. So let's begin. Let's go. So first thing we gotta do is, let's see here. Okay, so basically we gotta do the exhaust, the radiator, all of that. Okay, so exhaust pipe front. That's what we need first, and we have to put it like about here somewhere. And let's see exactly how. Okay, so it's a little bit more in the back. It's a little weird how it's positioned, but yeah. And we need a 7 millimeter. Where's my screwdriver? My, not my screwdriver, my socket set. My ratchet set. Wait, is the ratchet set? Not the socket set? Hold on. Interesting. So, 7, I think we need, yes. And basically, this will go on here in the car, under the car. Just like about, I think like this. Something like that, but it doesn't want to go. Okay, how does he put it? Okay, so basically he takes it and he puts it in. There we go, like that. Okay, so now we have 3 bolts that we gotta bolt in. And they are, oh my gosh, okay, they are going somewhere. I don't know where exactly. Hang on, I gotta look on the tutorial. So one goes there, one goes there, and then where is the next one? It's under the car. Okay. So the first one is under here, right there. And now 2 more right here. So 1, and then 2. Oh shoot, I think the headers are not. Well, I don't know if the headers are gonna work with this. Oh no. Okay, pipe front, and then we need the exhaust pipe rear. And it's a little complicated to put it, but it works. So, basically take it and try to place it in here. Yeah. Come on, we can do it. Did I see it? Did I see the check mark? Or is it like, hmm, hang on. Yeah, so we take it like this. So I take it from here, and we should be able to put it somehow. Hmm. Yeah, this is very interesting. Hang on. Exhaust pipe rear. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one we need. Is it like this? Maybe it's like this. I don't think it is, but actually it might be like this, if I'm being honest. Oh. Where does it go though? This one there, all the way here. Okay. So I think that this fits like it. Oh gosh. It fits like this somehow. Oh, there it is. Right there. Okay. So 2.7 millimeter. And they are right under the car where it connects to the other one that we placed previously. So we go under here, and right here there's two bolts. One, and then two. And now we need a 9 millimeter, and it's only one bolt. 9 millimeter. And let's see where it is. It is right there. Okay, so it's right about there. Perfect. What else do we need? Exhaust muffler on 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter for the muffler. And it's only one bolt. And you gotta screw it like right there. It's pretty simple. Okay, so you take this little guy. Honestly, this looks pretty awesome. Honestly, this looks pretty cool. Boom. Oh gosh, the curve jumped a little. That scared me for a second. Okay. Looking good, looking nice. What else? Fuel tank, and we need 10 millimeter, and there's only two bolts. Only two bolts. That is insane. In my summer car, there were like 11. Oh no, it was 11 millimeter, and there was 8 bolts. For this one, it's only 2 bolts, which is insane. So one there, and then one there. Wow. Okay. So I'm guessing it goes like that. There we go. So one bolt is right there, and then one bolt is right here. Okay, good. Now we need. Okay, here we go. So radiator now. We go to the front now. Take this with us because we need it. It needs to be here. So radiator is right here. And it goes just like that. Okay, so for 10 millimeter, and I'm guessing they are 2 here, 2 there. Pretty simple. Let's see. There's 1. There's 2. Looking good, looking nice. 1. And then 2. What else do we need? Let me go in the barrel so I get some heating. And we need what else? Come on. Radiator hose bottom and top. So bottom and top. Up there. I think they are there. Yeah. Top and bottom. One goes there. Which one is it? The bottom. Of course, because it goes on the bottom. There's one screw there, one screw there. Okay. And the screws are with the screwdriver. So the bottom one goes like about here. Hmm. Okay, maybe it goes like this. Yep, it goes like that. Okay. Let's put the top one too. Why not? I think it goes like about here. Like this. Or maybe like this. It depends on how you put it. Okay, that. It connects there, I think. Yep, told you. Right, so if I do that. Okay, so I need to screw it up like that, and then screw it up here. No, it's no longer coming up, which is good. And now same here. One there in the engine. And then one about here where it connects to the radiator. Good. What else? Okay, come on. Come on. We are almost halfway done. And we have 11 minutes. Wow. Good video, good. Ignition coil, and it's gonna be 2 8mm. Ignition coil. Let's see, ignition coil. It's during daytime outside. That's cool. Ignition coil is right here, and we put it on which side? On the right side of the engine bay. So right about there. It's much different than my summer car, that's for sure. 8mm. Oh, it's right beside the radiator. Wow. Okay, that is very interesting. Right here. And I'm telling you guys, my summer car is way easier than this game. Brake master cylinder, and we need an 8mm full phone bolts. Okay. 8mm, we got it already. Master cylinder, right here. Oop. For 8mm to here, and then to there. Simple. What else? We need the brake lines. Oh, here we go. Oh man, okay, this is a little hard, so I have to pay attention. So they go about there somewhere. I know they go in the back. This is how they go in my summer car, in the back here. How do they go? Okay, so they go a little different in this game. They go like here. Besides the brake master cylinder thing. So we need a 7mm. Let's see. One there, one there, one there, one there, one there, and one in the back. What? That's crazy. That's it, right? Yeah, that's it. Okay. So 7mm, and we have 6 bolts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, And the sixth one, is right about. Where is that? I lost it. I lost it. But there we go. Looking good, looking good. Not gonna lie. Look, I need to turn on the light. Sorry, I need light. I need to see what I'm doing. And then now we need a 10 millimeter. And we have two bolts, which is much easier. And two bolts in each well, one bolt in each tire in the front. So we take a 10 millimeter and we go to the wheels. Right in here, one, and two. That's it for the brake lines. Okay, that wasn't that hard. Handbrake lever. Need a 6 millimeter, so we take the 6 millimeter for now. And the handbrake lever is right here for me. Backwards. I can take this off now, that's good. It was on the whole time, I forgot it was on. Put it right here. Perfecto. Put this back here. Now let's see, because this is a little complicated, but it should be fine. Perfect. So 6 millimeter, where does it go? Okay, it's a little. This right there. And there's another one there, but it's I think it's 7 millimeter. I'm not sure. Wait, what? So one in front. What? Hold on. I don't get it. Oh, did this guy take the 7 millimeter instead of the 6? Yeah. And he took the 7 millimeter first, and then he took the 6. Okay. So the 6 is right about in there. He didn't need to go under the car. That's too much effort, my guy. So I take the 7 millimeter and look at the this. It's gonna go up. Oh, never mind, it didn't go up. Now it did. I like that sound though. I like the sound. I like the sound of that. Okay, so now we have brakes. Now we need the gear lever. And we literally just tighten it by hand. Okay. We do not need any bolts for the gear lever. We just tighten it by hand. That is insane. And the plant just moved in my hand. Why did the plant move? I don't know. Keep scrolling up. I hope I'm doing alright. Let's see. I'm scrolling as much as I need. I don't know how much I need, but I'm scrolling. Keep scrolling. I think that's it. I think we're good. Let me go in here because I'm gonna be shaking soon. I don't want to shake and freeze to death. Okay, now the pedal box, and we need an 8 millimeter, and there's gonna be 4 bolts. So pedal box is right here. We've got a manual because my car is manual at the moment. It's a manual guy. So it goes like a manual. It's interesting. Come on. It cannot go? What? Come on. Oh, there was. There we go. Okay, so one there. One. No? Oh, okay, I see them. So, basically, we go here. And the bolts are right about there. I can see them. One, one up there. One down there. Well, one down there, one up there. Two, three, four. That's it. Okay, good. Let's go back in the barrel because I'm freezing to death. I don't know why the garage is not heated up yet. Like, the house is heated up fully, but the garage is not. The garage is literally just not. Touch cable, it has a 7 millimeter bolt and it's only one bolt. And it goes under the car. That's where the bolt is. It's under the car. And the clutch cable goes like somewhere. So according to the guy from the tutorial, it goes right like that there. Nope. And we take a 7 millimeter. Make sure it's not like. No, just in case. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Yeah, okay. So its clutch cable goes down here. Alright. Right there. Oh, simple. Simple, simple, simple. What else? Hang on, I want to check something. When we go in the house, I want to check the prices for the engine parts that I have laying around.
Sen jatkuvasti toimimaan sähköttömän ja täysin huomaamattoman
175.
joka toimii koko yön joka yö, ilman että muukalaiset
Not really good.
eteneminen pysähtyi. Tilaan nyt ennen.
We need a bit more time to wait. Look, in the house, it's warm. If I go in the garage, it's literally cold. I don't know why. It's just cold. I don't know how to heat the garage up. Like, there's no way. I put as much like stuff on the fire as I can, and it's still just not heating up. I don't know what's going on. Because the heaters are on. Like, look. They should be on. I don't know what's going on. Can't explain why it's like that, but whatever. Okay, so the clutch cable is done. Now what else do we need? We need a heater box, and it's gonna be a 7 millimeter. It's gonna be 4 bolts. So the heater box is this one right here. It's a pretty massive guy. And it goes somewhere like this. Perfect. Okay, where's the 4 bolts? They're all 7 millimeter. One down there, one up there, one up there, and then one down there. Okay. So, we got one down here, another one down here, one up here, and then another one up here. And that's it. Simple. Okay, next we need the heater house inlet and outlet. So, inlet, outlet. Outlet, inlet. We need a screwdriver. And they're both gonna have 2 screws. The outlet one, or is just the inlet? It's the inlet. So the inlet one goes It's a little complicated for him to see. Okay, so let's put both of them, okay? Starting with the end left. The end left goes. Come on. Like that. And then the other left. Humongous, where are you? What do you... Uh, okay, hang on. How does the outlet one go? Okay, got it. So basically it just goes. It just goes like this. Boom, simple. Okay, what else? So screw that one in, that one in. And then one in there. And then one on the other side. Simple. Okay. So basically, we take a screwdriver, which we do have, but we cannot see. For some reason, the glitches in this game are crazy. One there, one there, and then one here. And then one here. Okay. So now we need the wiper motor assembly. It's gonna be a 7mm. It's right there. How do we put it more exactly? Okay. So I'm guessing it goes something like here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What else? Oh, here we go. Now the battery. Okay. Here we are. Okay, so we just put the battery in because for now we don't have any wiring. So we don't have to worry about wiring up with that. Okay. So for now we just leave it like that. And that's it. That's it for today. We did pretty much a lot of progress. Look at this. Like there's nothing on the shelves almost. We did a bunch of progress and I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. In the next episode, we will do the interior, and then I think the exterior, then the wiring, then the tuning, and then I think that's it. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, do all of those cool stuff as you usually do. If you want to do them, go ahead. If you don't want to do them, that's totally fine. What matters is like that you're here, you enjoyed the video, and that's the most important thing for me. So thank you guys so much for that. Have a wonderful day once again, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.